Yeah. Ooh, what you tell him, Thugger? I'ma pull up, beat on that Gucci and dip. Yeah. Okay. Good morning. I'm gonna show y'all this trade that I took on Friday, and then after I show y'all this trade, I'm gonna go ahead and reiterate the NASDAQ strategy. I'm gonna apply some things to it. You're gonna hear me talk about it. For the record, I ain't record no video or drop no video or do nothing in the past 10 days or 11 days, and I'm sorry. That's my bad. I've been busy. I do work during the day, so I ain't been trading during the day, and London session has been hella slow, so some trades I take, some trades I don't. I want to show y'all a trade that I took. This one I recorded, and there was another one that I recorded that I didn't show y'all. Well, I didn't record it. That's why I couldn't show y'all. But look, now, if y'all watching this, this big ass highlighted box is a 32 low. 32 low is the equivalent to my 1 hour. Let's get that straight. 32 low equivalent to 1 hour. Good. So with that being said, I've come to terms with me being a scalper. Reason being, and why I've come to terms with that is I don't have the patience to hold, and I ain't gonna hold y'all. I'm not even gonna try to execute that. So for the time being, 2 to 300 ticks is my max. I ain't going nothing further than that. 100 tick stop loss, fucking 2 to 300 tick gain, 1 to 2, 1 to 3. That's what we gonna work at. That's what we working with. Because at this current point, like me trying to hold for these super ticks ain't benefiting me at all. I've lost for 2 weeks straight on winning trades when I could have snagged 100 ticks, 50 ticks, 100 ticks, 50 ticks before I actually won. And when I actually won, it didn't mean shit because I was so far deep down in the fucking hole that I brought myself up a good ways, but fuck. So, with that being said, I decided to execute what I like to call the pinky effect. Now, the pinky effect is technically a strict stop loss in profit strategy. It's where you take your normal strategy, and once you get a certain amount of ticks in profit, you trail that motherfucker. For me, it's at 100 ticks. At 100 ticks, we have 50 ticks in profit, and we trail. Nas like to come back, but with 50 ticks on a stand easy, I'll take $250. You feel me? So if I have to do that 4 to 5 times to get what I need, we'll do that. 25, 50, 75, a dollar. So I've come to terms with that. Hence the reason why you see the black do-rag on. This is the do-rag of death. When you watch these videos, you will see this black do-rag on. I got do-rags of many colors. Ain't no time for no colors right now. The emotional spectrum has gone. We are in death terms right now. What does that mean in anime terms? Nigga, we gonna take this till we fucking die. We in this shit. Death terms. That's what that means. If we playing a video game, we can't die. So we scraping everything out the mud. I've been playing Black Myth Wukong lately, and so all my terminologies is according to that. So sorry. No death gameplay right now. So with that being said, check me out. All right. This big ass box is a 32 low. Here's what I was talking to him. I was talking to Miss Ray about. I told Miss Ray, let me see if I recorded it. All right, we at the next. Imbalance on Nas. Is it gonna hold? It bought up. So what happened was Nas shot up, came back, was bouncing off of this 32 low. It shot up, came down, shot up, so it was basically breaking structure and it was following a buy structure. Now it came down, broke these lows, and came all the way down, broke these lows, came to here. Normally that's a change of character, but my algo, or the Lux algo, or whatever you want to call it, did not signify changing character. Although this 32 low is strong and we kept bouncing off, so I wanted to see what it was gonna do. Obviously, the optimal buy would have been to take it from here on the rejection or from here up. I was not comfortable with that. See? Yes, the rejection, this would have been a full 32 brick. This could have been 100, 200 ticks. That was cool. That follows market structure. That was very demure. But I didn't take it. Why I didn't take it? Because I just wasn't comfortable. Why? Because we bought up the whole of London session. We bought up Asian session. I also applied AMD to my strategy. So AMD signified that we had to sell to buy. We did not sell. This sell was not significant enough. We had imbalances below that needed to be tapped. So, watch. 10:41 a.m. I was in a US 30 buy, thinking it was gonna go up, and it broke. It made a clean market structure break. It was buying up. I got clapped in this, just in case y'all know. Uh, SPX came. I mean, 30 came down. Nas came down. 30 broke my structure, stopped me out. Cool. Now, I was tempted to buy here simply because, again, we're at a support. It pushed up. It didn't break any lows, so I was tempted to buy here. I seen it starting to push up. I could have buy here. This is me searching around trying to figure out what's going on. So 30 clapped me. I'm looking at 30. I went to oil, went to NASDAQ, buy symbol. 32, hopped on the 16. That shit's already gone, right? So I'm looking. That's what I'm thinking. We gonna get this imbalance below. I've been calling this imbalance below down here. This line that shit all morning. 46275 is my imbalance. They want that. So then I seen 30 made that M. So I hopped over to a higher structure and I looked. And I grabbed my box and I said, huh, this has been respecting the imbalance. Let's go to the 16 and see. Okay, cool. Now that should be the sell right here. First brick rejection. So now this is turned into a head and shoulders. Head, left shoulder, right shoulder. Now what do you need? A break of structure, which would be your change of character to continue down. And on the six, either now I'm gonna get in on the rejection. My strategy says, and I put this in my strategy, on the 32 trades, on 32 trades. So 32 support, 32 resistance, 32 imbalances. Wait for a pattern on the 16. You will hear me reiterate this. on the 16, or I'm gonna wait for a pattern on the 16. But this will be, I know it rejected, it came right back up. So I want to see if it's gonna push up, still hold the imbalance, or is it just gonna smack this neckline right here again and then drop. That's why I say first rejection. I might either get in or I should just wait for a pattern. I think I might just wait for a pattern though. The pattern would be the break of this neckline. It's gonna be a drunk M. Hmm. Like Miss Ray said. So you see it pushing up. Mm. Broke lows. So it didn't break no lows, didn't break no highs. It's in a range. But this is a 32 trade. So we're waiting for the first pattern that we get. We got London on the track, bitch. I might pull up. No. Yeah. So now as you can see, it hasn't broken them highs. It's rejecting. Most people would probably take that. I would have put the 16 box and taken that rejection. But this is still within a 32 imbalance, and I'm supposed to take the first pattern. Feel me? Who's to say that makes a rejection and then flies up? You feel me? So we wait. My homie Marley is already in there. Slime Marley. Come on, make a little tiny M. Make something in the box. So he's up 100 ticks. You got two standees on these? That boy, ooh, that boy got two standees. Look on the 32. If you get that neckline, I'm taking it off that. Yeah. So I'm taking that neckline break on the 32 because it's the same thing on the 16. It's nothing pretty. Unless it pull back up here and then reject again and give me a smaller M. So I'm gonna take that risk and take it on there. It's a 16 and a 32 M. I can't fault that. Oh, Ash back. You know, when Ash come here, it's good. Okay, okay, okay. So you got inventory, got it all the way up top. I don't know
Okay,
why it's
okay,
recording
okay,
them low,
okay.
but I need to fix that. I see. It took you long enough. This shit just looks so beautiful. I'm watching this like, okay, so look, it broke the neckline. I just seen it. Got in. Oh shit, they done let us in the door. Nutty on the figure four. You see how I got in that trade? Very calm-like, very
These days, I
classy,
live the life
very
of a movie
demure.
star.
100
I
tick
hate
stop
having a
loss.
long ass fucking stop loss. Hate that shit. I'm only 31 ticks in profit.
I'm not even supposed to be on this chart.
Yeah, I took the sell with the bot.
To the imbalance we go. As you can see, I'm on my phone to distract myself. Look at the trade, look at my phone. Very calm, classy, demure. Feel me? 36, 23. The trade went immediately in profit, so I know it's gonna
Oh
go
shit,
good. It
later,
just need
later.
to break this low. You feel me? So a rejection here would be
Let's see.
like, I shouldn't have been
Oh,
taking this.
oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh shit. Nah, it's gonna get that imbalance. It's get I've been calling this shit all morning. I've been telling y'all. Mm. Man, that shit gave me 220 something ticks. Mm. Mm. I'm about to say, Marley, it's time to take profit on that. It did, but that imbalance held.
So, as you can see, waiting for a pattern benefited me. That's it. That's the strategy. You know, if you want to, you can take it here. You would have got clapped. Well, you wouldn't have got clapped because your stops would have been up here or 100 ticks, so you probably would have got clapped. Plenty places. You just got to drop down to the 16. It's the 32. Find yourself a pattern and then go from there. Also, a little bonus trade. I caught this setup right here. This. I took this W and I rode it all the way up to here. $623 ticks. Felt very accomplished. I took this at London session 9 or 10 o'clock at night. I feel very accomplished. So, things are looking up. I had my stops in profit and I fell asleep, so that made me hold the trade. I woke up, TP was tapped. This Nas shit is becoming a gem. Let me show you. This is a little bonus feature that y'all get to see. Don't tell nobody. So check me out. If you're new to trading and you're new to Rinkos, if you want to trade my way, come to the 32. All your rejections and everything happen on the 32. You feel me? Mark up your highs, your lows. Wait for a pattern to form, execute. That losing M that you would have took a L on, if you come over here, it looked like this, so you wouldn't have taken it. You feel me? But what you would have taken is this right here. This M. You could have hopped in here, a stop loss here, stop loss 100 ticks, and go down, and then trail it. You push down, if you got in here, this is 180. Price would have came back up and stopped you out, but you could have got back in here and would have never got stopped out. So that's really up to you. You feel me? I would have probably got stopped out here, which would have then been 77 ticks. I'll take that. Like $300, right? Would have came up, rejected. I would have got in again here or here. Stop loss above here, which is 116 ticks. And would have never got stopped out. All right. 56 ticks. 100. Yeah, I would have never got stopped out. That would have been at break even. And it would have just dropped. So I'd have made my money regardless. So this pinky effect is good. You just gonna have to take trades twice, sometimes three times, or just accept the loss. I'll accept it if it's 100 ticks, cause that's only $500. I could lose that. Anything more is like, ugh. But this is it. Like I said, this trade would have clapped me here, but you would have got in here. So it don't matter. And you'd have just rolled it down. There you go. Simple. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna try something new today or tomorrow. So with that being said, stay tuned. But this is my NASDAQ trade, well, trades, because I took two. I also took a gold trade, and I want to talk to y'all about that. I'm not sure if I want to make a video on it. I know I said I was done with gold, but she just kept calling me. But anyway, thank you guys. Y'all have a good night.